Good morning, students. Today we will discuss Ivan Streisand O Level, Chapter 7 from the book of your book Vistas. Okay, Ivan Streisand O Level by Colin Dexter. First of all, we have to know who was Colin Dexter. His full name was Norman Colin Dexter. Actually, he was a British crime writer. He was British crime writer, and he was born on 29 September 1930 and was died on 21st March 2017. Okay, so he was British crime writer, means he used to write novels, detective novels, and he was born on 29 September 1930 and died on 21st March 2017. So he was a British crime writer and used to write what? Detective novels. Okay, he is one of the famous he wrote Inspector Endeavour Morse, and his novels were adapted as a TV series. His novels were adapted as a TV series. People liked his detective novels. People liked his detective stories. Fine. So this story, Ivan Streisand O Level. This story, Ivan Streisand O Level, is also a detective story. Okay, and he received many laurels, awards. Okay, for writing detective novels. He received many awards for writing what? Detective novels. And for Ivan Streisand O Level, he was conferred with the 1996 Macavity Award. He was conferred with 1996 Macavity Award. Okay, for what? For the story. Which story? Ivan Streisand O Level. For this story, he was conferred with the 1996 Macavity Award for the story. Getting my point? So basically we have come to know that what we are going to study, that is the other part. But we have come to know that he was British crime writer and he wrote detective novels, and those novels were adapted as a TV series. And moreover, this story, Ivan Streisand O Level, was also a detective story, or you can say an interesting story. Now, what is Ivan Streisand O Level? Ivan Streisand O Level का layout क्या है? We will come to know. Okay, what is the layout of Ivan Streisand O Level? Fine. So we will come to know over here. Ivan Streisand O Level is an interesting story. Okay, depicting is an interesting story. Depicts or depicting. Okay, is an interesting story depicting or depicts what? How a prisoner Evans escaped his plan, how a prisoner Evans escaped from jail. Escape from jail. Fine. By using exam as a tool. Okay. So in this story, we will come to know how a prisoner. What is the name of the prisoner? Interesting story. Name of the prisoner is Evans, James Roderick Evans, and he made a plan. He escaped from jail by using exam as a tool. Actually, Evans tried an O level. Tries an O level. O level means he would like to get a diploma or degree in German language. Who? Evans. Evans wanted to get a degree or diploma in German language. Okay, and he urged what? He urged to governor that he would like to give an exam in German language. Okay, and he would like to get a degree or diploma. So governor of the jail agreed on that point. So actually, basically, this story, Evans tries an O level, is what? Is wit. Okay, wit story. Wit story means use of intelligence. It is a conflict. It is a conflict. It is a war. It is a war. It is a war. It is a conflict between criminals and jail authority. So who is what that? A criminal over here, James Roderick Evans, and he has used his wit to escape from the jail. And on the other hand, jail authorities planned, and they tried all their level best for what? To stop him. Means they did not want him to escape from the jail. But finally, whose wit won? Evans. But finally, we will come to know that Evans had laid a beautiful plan. Okay, a beautiful plan. Okay, he used German language, a O-level exam as a tool, and that exam was his plan. That in exam, it was his plan to escape or to run from the jail. Actually, Evans, basically, he was a jailbreaker. Evans was a jailbreaker, and he had already broken the jail thrice. Means इसने 3 बार जेल तोड़ दी थी इवांस ने. Okay, and for that reason governor was in tension. Why? Because he would like to give paper. एग्जाम देना है इसको कौन सी लैंग्वेज में? जर्मन ओ लेवल एग्जाम. एंड गवर्नर ऑफ द ऑक्सफोर्ड प्रिजन, रिसेंटली ही वाज शिफ्टेड इन ऑक्सफोर्ड प्रिजन, इसको ऑक्सफोर्ड प्रिजन में शिफ्ट किया. एंड गवर्नर वाज इन टेंशन दैट व्हाट ही वुड डू ऑन द एग्जाम डे. विल ही ट्राई टू एस्केप फ्रॉम द जेल? क्या वो भागने की कोशिश कर रहा है? मीन्स गवर्नर वॉज इन डिलेमा व्हाट, कि वो एग्जाम दे रहा है और भागने का उसका कुछ प्लान है. सो ही had instructed all the authorities, powers, jail, prisoner officers and all to keep a watch on Evans. Means governor did not want to make fun of himself in front of everyone. Means he wanted Evans not to run from the jail. He wanted, वो चाहता है, but for that he had given all the instructions to the officers. He had used all efforts, we will see in the chapter, but at last he had a last laugh. Evans ने last laugh किया. क्या? He had a last laugh on governor. कैसे? Means he finally ran from the jail, and he was means a game planner. वो एक game planner था और लास्ट में वो befool करता है किसको? गवर्नर को. Actually over here we would come to know that it is a war of wit, war of intelligence between Evans, James Roderick Evans and the jail authorities. We will love to see. It is an interesting story, beautiful story. You will love to read this story, and you will see that this story seemed like a movie type चल रहा है. We would come to know in the chapter story में हमें पता पड़ेगा that Ivan's friends helped him a lot and they played a vital role in his life, but I will not disclose all those things, otherwise you can say the interesting part of the story will not be enjoyed by you. So I want you to enjoy this story. Go through the story Ivan's Treason O Level today. Go through it, because all pre-reading is always best. So we will come to know it is what हम पढ़ने वाले हैं क्या, Ivan's a jail breaker, okay, and he was a kleptomanic person. Kleptomanic means he could not help without running from the jail or without stealing. बिना पैसे चोरी करे हुए और बिना चोरी की और भागे वो रह नहीं सकता. It was his habit to run. And then we will come to know in the chapter that he was good at imitations. नकल करने में बहुत expert है. That's why this part of imitation would help him in his escape. Okay, then the story would start from governor and secretary conversation. We will see that governor was planning to arrange each and everything in jail. वो गवर्नर चाहता है कि जो जर्मन ओ लेवल एग्जाम वो देना चाहता है, that could be arranged in jail only, जेल में ही हो, so that he could keep his eyes on Ivans, वो Ivans पे अपनी आंखें रख सके. So that's why governor did not allow Ivans to go out and give paper. And then finally we will come to know that everything was arranged in his cell only. Ivans के रूम में ही सब कुछ arrange हुआ. Still at last he would surprise everyone. Why? Because at last he would run. And how did he escape from the jail? We will come to know in the chapter. Okay, so go through the chapter today, and then we will start explanation of the chapter tomorrow. Okay, you will first of all see the characters of the list. On the first part of the first page of the chapter, you will see characters. So we have governor of the Oxford prison, then secretary of the examination board, who is handling exam and all. Then we will see Jackson, prisoner officer. Okay, then न्यूली रिक्रूटेड प्रिजनर ऑफिसर स्टीवन, जो ये दोनों जो है जैक्सन स्टीवन वर ऑन ड्यूटी. ओके, और व्हेन इवांस वाज गिविंग एग्जाम, ठीक है, उस दिन वो ड्यूटी पे थे वो दोनों. ओके, देन वी विल सी मिस्टर मैकलरी was a father. Okay, person he was approached to take the exam. उससे रिक्वेस्ट की गई है कि वो एग्जाम लेने आए. देन वी वुड सी कार्टर डिटेक्टिव पुलिस who would finally go to search Ivans. We will see in the chapter. Mr. Ball, very, you can say, short part of Mr. Ball. So beautiful story. Please go through the chapter, and we will get the explanation tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.